Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and I have as well honor of a Google partner company. And I create YouTube tutorials on different questions related to digital marketing. And today I'm here again with a new question. But before I start, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on this. So today the question I have is I've been running Google AdWords since last 3 years, but from last 2 months my AdWord lead quality coming poor. We are running search, discovery, YouTube, and placement campaign for share market software company. From all campaigns receive daily 40 conversions, but when we call to that customer for software demo, 60 people not responding to our call. We faces this issue from last 2 months. I have used all type of audience and campaigns, but no improvement in lead quality. I have changed ads and landing page content, but no improvement. Please give your suggestion for how to improve lead quality. Thank you in advance. So to answer that question, I will first of all look on my competitors. My strategy, in case if you are asking, my strategy is to look on my competitors, what they are doing. That is going to be my first strategy. In case if it could be a change of mind, for instance, if a guy has submitted a query and they have also submitted to your competitor, and they made up their mind with your competitor, not with you, and the time you call they have already decided to go with the competitor. So this can be another reason for a decline in lead quality. So my strategy is to look on my competitors, what they are doing. I will also do a simple call. mm, to my competitors to see what they are doing, in case if I am missing anything, or in case if they have something special. So I will do a comparison, so this will give me an idea on, in case if there is an issue over there. My second strategy, also I have seen that you have changed ads and landing page content, but my strategy is to have a landing page with high optimized CTA. That is my priority. I have gathered some landing pages which I have shown in other videos as well. Let me see if I can show it to you as well. So you can see over here, I have gathered few of the landing pages. You can see over here landing pages like these, without scrolling and having a quick, can increase sales. So that can be another strategy. For instance, this one is another one. So you can see that you have to work out on your landing pages, have proper CTAs on it, on them, and that can do wonders. And that, you know one thing is, you may think is perfect, but that is not perfect. So even the competitors can help, and even we can design a good landing page. So I'm just giving you examples. For instance, this landing page has it. You can see over here a landing page like this that can convert better as well. So just giving you few of the ideas you can use over here. Okay, after you cross on landing pages, after you do the CTA competitors part, my next strategy is to audit the campaign. Now auditing the campaign, I have a detailed video on my YouTube channel on how to audit the campaign, because now we are sure that our campaign is perfect. After looking on our competitors, our landing page is perfect. Now we are going to audit the campaign. Now, because now you have seen that you have seeing the issues from the last 2 months. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to the change history and see. Change history is a plugin through which I can find out and determine what I have done wrong. So I will look on what changes I did 2 months ago, which caused decline in conversions. So that is my first strategy, is to look on change history. Second is, I'm going to try on bid impression share and come on top to see, because ad positions also play a strong role. For instance, if you are ranking on a first position, doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get good conversions. You can try on second or third positions. So bid positions also plays a role over here. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try with remarketing campaign that can help bringing sales or different stuff. So I can try, and then I will also have a look on my search terms and add new negative keywords, because I'm going to improve the lead quality. So I'm going to have unnecessary people remove from my audience. So I will also remove the, decrease the audience segment. Like location, I'm going to see my past data, and I'm going to see most converting areas, and I'm going to create specific campaigns for most converting areas and reduce spending for poor areas, or I mean non-performing areas. So this way I will have a clear cut idea on my most converting areas, and I'm going to examine if there is any reduce in traffic from that area. That can also be a, a reason for reduction in my lead. So I'm going to look around on my past data, and then I can also look on my times, my past timings, days, I mean Monday, Tuesday, which were the prime days previously where I was getting more data, and then I'm going to switch my campaign to spend most budget on that time, that days, that areas, and that can also improve my lead conversions. So these are the few of the strategies which I can figure out without I mean going into the detail. Yeah, if the project is given to us, yeah, we can look around, me and my team can do a detailed audit to figure out what exactly was converting before and what is now not working well. So we can, so this were the few other tips. I hope you like this. So I hope this answers your question as well. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you, and bye bye.